Can't wait to show you where everything at Bleuet is made.
So here we are at Textiles del Sol in Zacapa, Guatemala, where I got to come and see where our bloom bras are being made, as well as a lot of our other products by these beautiful, amazing women. And it was such an incredible delight to get to speak with all of them in my terrible broken Spanish and tell them just how grateful we are for them and how much they mean to us. Textiles del Sol is a family-run business, and we're so thankful that we found them, and they provide safe working conditions and opportunities for all of these amazing, incredible women. Thank you to Esmeralda, Daisy, Alba, Maria, Andrea, and so many more.